Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Phenylalanine is an essential amino acid. Phenylalanine is hydroxylated to form tyrosine by a mixed function oxidase, the phenylalanine hydroxylase, which requires molecular oxygen and tetrahydrobiopterin, which is converted into dihydrobiopterin during this reaction. Tetrahydrobiopterin is not derived from a vitamin. It can be synthesized in the body from GTP. However, as is the case for other coenzymes, the body contains its limited amounts. Therefore, dihydrobiopterin must be reconverted to tetrahydrobiopterin for the reaction to continue to produce tyrosine. Phenyl pyruvate, phenyl acetate, and phenyl lactate are not normally produced in significant amounts in presence of functional phenylalanine hydroxylase. However, these are elevated if there is a deficiency of phenylalanine hydroxylase or any of the enzymes required to synthesize or regenerate tetrahydrobiopterin and dihydrobiopterin. So here we can see that if phenylalanine is elevated, it is diverted into the pathway for the formation of phenyl lactate and phenyl acetate. In contrast, in case of normal phenylalanine levels, shown here in lavender color, the phenylalanine is hydroxylated to tyrosine, which is transaminated to hydroxyphenyl pyruvate. This is in contrast to phenyl pyruvate formed in case of elevated phenylalanine levels. The hydroxyphenyl pyruvate formed from tyrosine is metabolized into homogentisate, mallyl acetoacetate, and finally into glucogenic precursor fumarate and ketogenic precursor acetoacetate. So, under normal circumstances, phenylalanine is converted to tyrosine, which forms tissue proteins, the pigment melanin, the neurotransmitters catecholamines, the glucogenic end product fumarate, and ketogenic end product acetoacetate. Besides, it also produces thyroid hormone. But if there is a deficiency of any of the enzymes or coenzymes required for the conversion to tyrosine, there is accumulation of phenylalanine, which is channelized into the formation of phenyl pyruvate, phenyl lactate, and phenyl acetate, which appear in urine and impart a musty odor to the urine. Here, these end products are shown in grey color to emphasize that these are not produced normally.